Must be.
It's okay right now, but that wheel slide might pull it over. We'll see. Yeah, go on, I'll holler.
What is it, 41 Chevrolet steak body truck right there. You set it for parts. 41 Chevrolet truck. Put on that for part. They can do what they want to with it. Probably might have that thing running up down the road next week.
I bet it's going to go pretty high, so we'll just see what happens.
200 to 2 1/4. 2 1/4. 2 1/2. Now 75. 275, now $300, now 3 1/4, 3 1/4, now high, 3 1/2, now 75, 375, now 400, now 4 1/4, 4 1/4, now 4 1/2, 4 1/2, and on 4 1/2, 4 1/2, 4 1/2, now 75, 475, now 500, 500, with them on a 5 now quarter, 5 1/4, 5 1/4, on 525, 525, 525, 525, 5 here, 5 1/4, 5 1/4, boys, these things are getting few and far between. Let's go, 525, on the 525, 525, 525, on 5 1/4, 5 1/4, on 5 1/4, whoever the 5 1/4, on 525, the 525, the 525, on the 5 1/4, 5 1/4. Are you done? 5 1/4, 5 1/4, 5 1/4. All in, all done. 5 1/4. Sold it. $500 right here. Number 2301 is right. 2301. Have your way in just a minute there, ladies. Don't run over that man. Hey, come on through and take the left there. You got it. You got it, babe. Hey, sell this hay, Baylor. Now, don't be throwing with air on it, big boy. Be turning no air on in there. It's too hot in there. Hey, on we go. Hey, look right here. Now, sell this hay, Baylor, and don't you look the way that tree growed up through it. They've taken a lot of time out there to get it out of there. So how much you want to give for it? $50. Hey, hey. Now 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, $50. Now 75, 75 was $60. 50, now 60, but you get $60. 60, would you give 60? Would you give 60? Sold it right here, $50, 10-8, market cheap. Market cheap, Is that it on this side here? We're going across the road now. Going across the road. Watch the truck. Watch my umbrella there, big boy, coming down them cedar trees.
Yeah, that little old box that I bought for
We can't get this umbrella off the show.